Hello, hey everyone. Today, I'm going to make one small video for, how to increase file attachment, size in Xsense 2019, right? This server. We have one server here. The server is, mail server, right? That mail server. So we have a receiver and like a send connector here, right? So what happened here? So most of the user, suppose this is marketing user one, suppose M user one. This user want to send the uh, any attachment file. Suppose here I will show you here. Okay, suppose he want to attach the file more than 10 MB, right? So let me see here. So this file is almost a lot of file here, right? 114 630 kilobytes, right? So he want to just send this one to other suppose this one is one file, right? So he want to send this one to other guys. So this one says here, see, the following file won't were not attached because additional adding them would cause the message extend maximum size limit of 10 MB. So that means he can send the file only 10 MB, so not more than that, right? So how to solve this? Suppose someone, these guys need more than 10 MB file to send on other people. So he opened the tickets, right? He opened the tickets and he asks I need more space to send the my file. So in that case, what do you do? So let's see. Okay, so first of all, let me see here. So I will show you something here, right? Okay. Okay, what I do. So I open the my mail server here, right? So let's open the Exchange management cell. Okay, this Exchange management cell. So let's open this one. Okay, so this one is open here, right? So my Exchange this Exchange mail management cell. So what I do, I'll go to C drive directly here, right? So and I will try to type here get, right, and transport config. Okay, and pipe sign here, file list max send size, comma, and max receive size. Okay, so let's see this one. Okay, I just put here okay here. Okay, so here I have a 10 MB 10 MB, right? Maximum send size 10 MB and minimum maximum receive size 10 MB. So we have a, this is a default setting transport configurations in our this Exchange admin center. Okay, so everyone, all the our recipients here, right, they can send 10 MB, receive 10 MB, right? So more, not more than that. So how to configure here? So let's see more thing here. I will type here one more thing. Let's get receive connector, right? And the pipe sign here, file list, right? And the name and max message size also. Let's see this one also. Okay, okay, so here is a default is 36 MB, right? So message size also. Okay, so now what I do here next is let's type here get send connector, right? And files list name uh, max message size. Okay, so this time here is we are talking about like a receive connector, but here is a send connector. Because why I'm talking about this one, because here see receive, we can receive from outside, right? Send from here to local to outside, right? So this one you have to like set up that first. Okay, so you have a like this is a my local, right? So this is my Hyper-V, so I can I don't have a like that separate my modem, or like my Cisco or any other router here, right? So that's why I can do that. But like I can see here, so see this one is not like not giving me any error, right? But this is a our command is right. But so if you set up this one also, so you will get like this message. So that's I want to tell you. Okay, so let's see the next thing here. If you have a like how much space, so the particular like that particular clients. So let's see that how to check that. Get mailbox, mailbox identity, right? So the mailbox m dot user 2. Let me see that. Okay, I think it's the user 2. I log in here. M user 1, sorry, M user 1, right? M user 1. Okay, so this guy, and pipeline here, FL file list here, name, max send size, how much he has a send size, and max receive size. Okay, let's see that. So how much he had. Okay, so he had like see here the name is this, and this is our user, right? Marketing user 1, and max send size and unlimited, max receive size unlimited. This is for the like that mailbox, right? But how much he can receive, and how much he can like send the in an email, right? So email attachment. So let's see that. So how to we figure out that, how to set up that. So let's see that. Okay, so here is like transfer config. This is like actually for like what is actually this one is. So I just tell you a little bit thing here. So transport config is like CMD late in Exchange PowerShell that allow administrator to modify transport configuration setting for the entire Exchange organization, right? So it control various aspect of like a message, and the transport, including size, limits, and deliver notifications. Okay, so and then max send size and max receive size are two important parameters in within the transport config, so that control the like the maximum size of message that can be like sent and receive in the Exchange organization, right? So and max send max send size is like this parameter is specific the like a maximum size of message that user can send, right? I already said that. And then the maximum receive size, so this parameter is specific the like maximum size of message that the Exchange server this Exchange server will accept, but here we have a, like an unlimited mailbox. This is mailbox, right? This is mailbox, that is a message, so that's different little bit. Okay, so how to we can send more than like 10 MB message outside. I mean like this is when you change your Exchange server, so this will apply for the all the like users. So that's why. Okay, so let's see so how to do that. Okay, okay, now so I'm going to change the like this size, right? Right now is 10 MB, we have a default here, right? So the size of like that attachment size, right? So 10 MB can like send and receive. So I will go and change that. Let's down this one, and here if you come to like Exchange administrator like a center here, so that, right? So how do we go there? So just like put your HTTP and your server name and your domain name and like a ECP. When you do that, you come here, right? And then you have to go to mail flow here, right? And here is a receive and send connector. See here, this is send connector, this is receive connector, right? So I'm going to here for the like a send connector here, right? Send connector, but like if you already like set up this one send connector, suppose like internet something here, and you set up this one, you can set up here, right? Same thing like go here and go organization transfer setting. But like right now I'm going to do this one is a receive connector here, because we can receive right from outside. So that's why I'm going to click this three dot and organization transport setting here. I click here, right? Then so you can see the organization transport setting, limits, safety net, and delivery, right? So here maximum number of recipients, right, 500, and maximum receive message, maximum send message, right? So you can send maximum 10 MB, right? So your organization can set up this one, so just for the like our test purpose here, so I'm going to put here 20 MB. Okay, just put here 20 MB, and here also 20 MB. Okay, both are in 20 MB. So go ahead and like save this one. Okay, this one is saved right now. So let's go to like a test that. Okay, so we had a here, see, check it out here. This is like a 10 MB, right? When we use this our command, so we got like a 10 MB before. Now let's see here, I'm just like going to use the same command and test here. Okay, just enter this one. Okay, let's see here, this one is a just I use this one, right? So here is a 20 MB, right? We change this one in our Exchange server right now, but so you can't use right away this one everything. So for that, what we have to do for using for effect to like this change, because I have like right now is 10 20 MB, right, both. So this this command is not effect right now. I mean like you can see this one, but this is not effect to like our whole organizations. For that, so what you have to do, you have to restart your this Exchange Admin Center and your other emails, I mean like other this one also. So before change anything, so you have to like suppose this one I will go to and discard this one, and I have to like sign out this one first. Okay, sign out these guys, right? This marketing user one, I sign out that guys, right? And then I have to administrator also, I have to sign out this one first. Okay, so without sign out that we can't change that. Okay, so let's come back here, and what you have to do, you can go to restart the like that service. So let's see what kind of service we have running right now in our Exchange server. Okay, get service, right? And asterisk XCHANG Exchange, right? And asterisk. Okay, let's see the like in that services. Okay, enter. See here, these services are running right now in our Exchange, right? So this is like our Hyper-V. So let's see to like exclude this one. For that, we have to use get service. Same thing, we can use that, this Exchange, right? And then pipe here, then where bracket open, $sign, and then this point, right? And point, I mean dot display name, and not like asterisk Hyper-V asterisk and close this like this. See here, this is our plus we have to use the like in a small here part, so that is dot force. Okay, so I use the like that force also, so where you can see that. Okay, uh, uh, not a force dash, so because we are just like doing that, right? Just like do this one first. Let's see what will happen, exclude or not. So because I'm excluding this part, okay, this one, check it out here, Hyper-V data exchange server. Okay, just exclude this one, enter. Okay, let's see here, here is like a BM this part here, but here is nothing, right? That, so let's see that and reset this one. Okay, so I will go here this one and pipe, right? And then restart server. Okay, so let's see, sorry, service, not a server, service force. Okay, so this one I'm going to like restart the like in our service again, this whole service. Okay, so the main thing is because I am working on our locally, right, in an Hyper-V, so I can restart this whole service, right? This one is a running in the backend, but very important part is like you can't like restart these things in your organization without scheduling. Okay, these things are due always after scheduling. So if you do right now, or like you are working and you doing like in these things, your whole organization email is like in a fail. Okay, so nobody get like email, nobody can like send that email or getting email. Okay, so that's why this is very important. Don't do that when you are working in your organization. Okay, but like in your locally in Hyper-V you can do that. Okay, I'm working in Hyper-V, so that's I'm just going to this one. Okay, so let's see, so this will take a little bit time, right? So that's why you have to patient that, wait for some time, and after that I'll back. Okay, you can see this one is restarting, like restarting the services. Okay, so like this one is take a little bit time, wait for that. Okay, finally, so we get all the like services like restart finished, right? We found that all now, so you can check, so to your attachment, it's the attachment file, we can like attach like more than 10 or not. So let's go to like do that. Okay, for that, so first of all I'm going to like just uh, sign in this one, Exchange Admin Center, right? This one. And just for the like next one is our this person, right? So marketing user one, so let's sign in for this guys, right? Now let's try to like attach the like a new message here. Let's attach the like in that accent, that file, which is like more than 10, right? 10 MB before, so same size I'm going to attach new. Actually what happened, so this is like more than our 20 MB, right? So let's try to the next one. Okay, so this is like see here 114, so this is 114 megabyte, right? So I will try this one. Okay, let's try this one. So this one has like 6.887. Let's try to like 2. Okay, let's do this one. This one I can add, right? Let's add one more. So this one I can add, right? Let's add one more. So see here, the following was, and because this one is a 20 MB only, right? So that's why So I can attach more than that. So this is if you add like one more here, so that will be like 7 7 7 21, right? So that's why I can add more than like 20. So this is more than like a 10 right now, right? 7 7 is 14. So last time we can add only like 10 MB, right? Right now I can add 14 MB right now easily, right? See here. Okay, so you can send the email in after that. So this way you can increase the your size, your size of like your attachment. So right now is this is like more than like 10 MB. So this is a way you can attach the like increase the your attachment file. So that means we successfully change the like our file attachment size in for our clients, right? So user can user doesn't have like any problem right now here, whatever like more than like when they attach the like more than 10 MB size, but not like more than 20 MB, because we set up this one is a 20 MB. So if you change that like 20 MB to like 40 MB, so you can attach more than two here, because this is 7 7 14, and when you add the one more is just 21, so that is not possible here, right? So this is a way you can increase the file attachment size in Exchange server. So if you have any questions, so you can like message me, I will reply you. Thank you very much.